Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be hitting some dingers with a wiffle ball and a wiffle bat in my backyard. I don't really have any things to say for the intro, so let's basically just get started. Woo. And I got these slides. Oh god, that was horrible. And by the way, I'm going to have to be going back and forth. Hooray, I'm so happy. Got the ball back. This time I'm actually gonna... How's that? I'm trying to hit it out instead of, like, in the air. That's gone. That was destroyed. All the way out there. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get that. I'm sorry if you guys can't see the ball. I can't really see from the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the ball. Hooray! Got the ball! Hooray! Oh, that's destroyed. I'm so lucky that went through my treehouse. I'm gonna go get the ball. Hooray! I'm trying not to aim right up there because I hit two wiffle balls right next to each other and it got in the gutter on my roof. So yeah, they're stuck up there. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to do that. And as soon as I do that, this video is gonna be ended. So yay. Oh, that's gone. Bro, that hit the actual tree. That hit that dumb tree, bro. Oh, bro. That was destroyed. I'm not even going full power. I'm going to go full power this next one. So this one I'm actually going to go as hard as I can. I was actually going to make this video on another day, but yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm not using my other editing thing because I thought it wasn't working, but it was actually not charged. So I'm charging it right now. And I really wanted to make this video today and right now because actually I don't know why. I just wanted to make a video because I was bored and it's a Saturday morning. So yeah, hopefully it's Saturday. Okay, anyways, let's get back into it. That was not the best hit I've ever done. I'm gonna go get those. I'm gonna go like right over here so you can actually. Oh yeah, I got this. I think my friend Luke got me this. Hold up. I got the school thing right here. Yeah, it says watch your back. Watch your back, people. You better subscribe or you'll be coming to me. A skeleton. Anyways, let's get back into it. That was inside. Oh, that was horrible. Good swing, though. Good swing. Oh, that was bad. That's out. Out. Number 2. Oh, I thought I cut that part. Oh. Hopefully I remember to cut that part out. That's bigger. Woo! That is out. I'm gonna go get that. By the way, this is not the whole backyard. There's an area over here. My pool's right there. Over there is where I got this and this. So, yeah. Oh my god, bro. I thought I was gonna get stuck. Out number 3. Sorry, guys. I got mad. Oh, that probably would have been in there. Oh. That was kind of bad, but I still hit it good. So, yeah. I'm gonna go get it. This is so fun. This is the most funnest video I've ever done. It's pretty cold out today, so I don't know why I'm wearing shorts. That probably would have been a dinger, but I didn't swing. Whew. This is just my warm-up, guys. I thought that was gonna go behind me. Oh! Look what I just found. I found a green bat. I'm gonna use this bat next. It's like the Ryan's Ridiculous Games and Vlogs color. Green, if you didn't know that. Ow. I'm gonna go get the ball. But I didn't say what kind of balls. Ball. Literally just fell running over here, but anyways, I'm gonna be using this bat for this swing. Wait a minute there. Oh! That was loud. I think I might have just woke up my neighbors. But anyways, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, this bat is horrible. I'm gonna be using this bat now, once again. I also have another bat that's long and skinny. Oh, that's a dinger. If I did, oh my God, Shadow, you scared me so badly.
Get that on video?
Yes, I did. Oh my God. I thought that was like I don't know. Oh my God, Shadow. My dog just ran by. That scared me so badly. Wondering what just happened. My mom just let my dog out, which she's right there. Say hi, Mom. Say hi. All right, she said hi. Okay, no, she didn't. Here we go. Over the fence. Here we go. Oh, God. That was horrible. No, Shadow, don't get that. Actually, no, that's pretty good for a hit. It was a good hit, but a bad swing, bro. I think I just fell over on that. And I barely even hit it that hard. That's how easy it is to hit a ball. I'm going full power. Oh, God. That was a really good hit. Oh, God. That hurt. Woo! That one just hurt. That was a really good line drive down to center field. Woo! Really good line drive to center field. Woo! I dropped the ball like 6 times on the way here. So, yeah. That's how big my backyard is. I don't know one thing. I don't know how big my backyard is, though. Like how many feet it is. Probably over 100, but still. I'm gonna hit one more before my dog comes. So, yeah. There you go. Oh, that was inside. Oh, that was horrible. Oh. Why'd I swing at that? I mean, it's wiffle ball. You don't have to swing at. You have to. It's okay to swing at everything. I need to stop talking and start concentrating on the play. Oh! That was a dinger. That was probably been That was gone forever. Goal for this video is trying to hit it over the fence. If that dumb tree wasn't there, that would have been over the fence. So, yeah, let's hit it again. Oh, saved my fall. No, Shadow, you don't take that. Shadow, say hi. Say hi. Can you stand? Show the camera. Come on. Go see Mommy. Hold up one sec, guys. A new ball boy. It's my dog. Shadow, give. Hey, give. Good boy. Hey. This is my ball boy right here. Oh. Shadow, come. Come here. Give. Give. He always does this. Give. Hey, give. No. Give. Hey, give. No. Good boy. Why'd you beat him? Oh. This.
Good boy.
Give. When I paused this, I was hitting dingers. I was mostly hitting it in the air, though. I like hitting it in the air so he gets tricked. It's funny. He thinks it's going to go out. Shadow, give. No. Give. Hey, give. Good boy. That was the fastest one yet. Oh, God. Where'd that go?
Look at him looking for it.
Oh, by the way, my mom's right there. Say hi. Okay. Oopsie doodles. Sometimes it looks like it's gonna go over the fence, but really it goes down more. Give. No. Give. Shadow.
He goes back to his spot each
Give.
time.
Yeah, he does. Is that your spot? I didn't hit it yet. Oh.
Oh.
I hit him. Shadow, come. No, you're getting a long thick, Shadow. Come here. Come on, give. Hey, go back in your spot. Give. Hey. No. Give. Shadow. No. Shadow. Good boy. Oh yeah, Mom, you know the heart bush over there?
Yeah.
Doesn't really look like a heart bush anymore. Shadow, come. Come here. No. Shadow, come. Oh, hey, good boy. Go get it. I'm not gonna get it for you. You're my ball boy. Oh. I'll get it, Shadow. Sorry, guys. My ball boy isn't that intelligent. Hey, Shadow, I got it. Shadow, good. Come here. Good. What the heck? That noise. Alright.
He's like, I got it.
Come
Give.
on, Shadow.
Give.
Good boy. You're a good boy. Come here. Shadow, come here.
Oh,
Shadow,
now he's getting
come.
tired.
Okay.
Come on, Shadow, give.
1 sec, guys. He's coming now. Shadow, give. Alright, do you want to be done, Shadow? Hey, no, give.
Don't hit it yet. Give. Come on, Shadow. Come on.
Alright. My ball boy's leaving. Okay. My ball boy's gone. I don't want him to, he's over there right now. He's going towards my shed to go. He's going to go. Ooh. Now I don't have the ball boy to retrieve my ball. Hooray. Too lazy. Quartet time once again. My hair looks so bad. Please don't. Bro, how come every single time I hit it towards my treehouse, it goes out, if that makes sense? I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna try to do like the 1, 2, 3 thing. I'm bad at this. I'm bad at throwing. I guess if you were wondering where I'm on a hill. So, yeah. My dog just left to go inside. Oh yeah, my ball went in here. I was trying to hide it from him. Anyways, let's hit some more dingers. Reek. Oh, check swing, but went too far. Strike one. Oh, God. I just threw my bat. The lighting's good for you guys. It's going to be the last hit, boys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hold up. 3, 2, 1. was probably the worst hit so far. I hope you guys like today's very nice and ugly video. Yeah, so yeah. Sub, like, and oh god. Sub, like, and bye-bye.